some food and water before we go off to the seaside for a day? Absolutely. Good afternoon, good evening, good night everybody. Happy Saturday to you all. It is Saturday, August 1st, 2026, and it's day 167 of the Chilli grow up. They're looking great. It's about 19 degrees at the moment, going to get warmer. It was cold last night, dropped to about, I think, 11 degrees, which is not good. Don't want the Chilli plants going below 15 degrees Celsius, it's not good for them, but they look fine. They look a lot better than yesterday. Some of the plants are a bit droopy, as you can see, but we've had viewers comment, wind scold. That was a new one. I didn't know about wind scolding. Let's check Mr. Busy Bee here, there he is. Yeah, I didn't know about the wind scolding, and that of course could be it. These plants get absolutely beaten up when the wind's blowing, so of course that could be it. But for today, it is time for them to have a little bit of food and water because the soil very dry indeed. So we'll get them some water and fertiliser before we head out. So once that's all done, at the end of the video we'll quickly fly up to Weston-super-Mare and we'll do a quick little 1-minute montage around the place so you can have a little look there, and we can wrap the video up in Weston-super-Mare. But for now, let's do this. Let's get them all fed and watered. And other than that, I hope you're doing well. I hope you're having a wonderful weekend, and the weather's just as good here. Lucy Lou, just had a shower, haven't you? Look, $1 million, my dear. Yes, you do. You ready for your holiday, for your road trip? Me too. Let's do this. Let's get into day 167. Happy Saturday to you, my Lucy booby. You okay? You ready for your road trip? Ready for your holiday? Let's get an egg down you first, shall we? Marvellous. Enjoy, muffin. Okay, the Poblano. Let's give him a nice drink there. Look at these. Just beautiful. Buena Mulata. Now I've been eating a lot of those. Still lots ready. So, I'm going to give him a bit of time to recover. The Zimbabwean. Our little Cayenne. Loaded, look. Absolutely loaded. Just perfect. Our Tabasco. Nothing yet, but time will tell. Here's our Kashmiri Mirch. And then let's move on to this sweet banana. Beautiful, look at all these peppers in there. I hope that's not some blossom end right there. Looks like it could be. So yeah, we'll have to check on that when we come back. Looks a bit, I don't know, corking maybe. We shall see. Carolina Reapers next. We're really branching out now. Here's our jalapeno. Marvellous, look at these. They look quite stock photo, don't they? Quite textbook, quite perfect. That's fine with me. Grow, baby, grow. And our overwintered Cayenne. Loaded. Just loaded up. And our ghost pepper. Look at those. Ghost pepper next. Crazy, look at those. And here's the Padron. We're just starting to get some more. Just starting to get a few peppers in. Looking great. A bit more on that ghost there. And let's go to a Zimbabwean. Really starting to bush out now. Starting to get a few potential peppers there. There we go. Ooh. That leaf is in the way. There. Looking good. Starting to pop out now. Zimbabwe black. Looking excellent. And our black jalapeno. Loads going on there. Let's check our other one. Oh yes, they are getting nice and big now, nice and juicy. Beautiful. A little Buena Mulata there, lots of new flowers showing up. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. Checking on that sugar rush peach stripey there. Look at those pods. Very exciting stuff there. And here's our ghost. Lots of new flowers. And look at those pods. Unfortunately, I think that might potentially be a blossom. Blossom end rod potentially. We'll have to see when we come back. Hopefully that's just changing colour and not going rotten. If it gets more brown, then we'll know it's down. But there we go. So Tabasco. And Carolina Reaper. There's an Armageddon in the back there, our big Armageddon. Branching out. Definitely need a drink. And a Mirch masala. Dream catchers. And the second. Starting to get some really nice flowers showing now, look. Really good. An Armageddon. There's a Scotch Bonnet MOA. Looking great. Really good. Our mystery. Let's see what else we got. Tabasco. And here's a Cayenne. Lots of flowers, not seeing many peppers just yet. Very soon though. Got a Mirch masala at the back. Growing really tall. Hopefully flowers and peppers soon. Here's an Armageddon. Looking great. A Scotch Bonnet MOA. There's our Cayenne in the smaller pot. Looking beautiful. Loaded, loaded, loaded. What's this one? Oh, large orange tie. Here's our Kashmiri Mirch. And there are some peppers, look. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful. And here's another Cayenne. Blooming. So many chilies, look. Excellent, excellent. Scotch Bonnet MOA at the back. Nothing on it yet. Here's a Mirch masala. Here's another Carolina Reaper. Here's the jalapeno. Let's have a closer look at some of these. Look at those there. And I've got one over this side. Amazing. I'm going to wait for them to start corking. That's where they start getting those like cork cracks on them. That means the water's swelling up so much they are ready. Look at this beautiful Carolina Reaper. Sorry, Armageddon here. Very tall, probably the tallest one we've got. And a Mirch masala back here. And here's Cayenne. Everything's looking great. I'm really not seeing any issues. Everyone's had a good drink, a good feed, ordered. Just do my last little look over and make sure everyone's okay. So much going on there, look on that Tabasco, on the Armageddon. I think, correct me if I am wrong, but they're all fed, they're all watered, I haven't missed anybody. No, we're all good there. Everyone's ready. We're all set. Right, so for those of you that just want to watch the chilies, this is where we'll wrap up day 167. For those of you who want to watch a little montage up to Weston and what we did on the Saturday afternoon and the evening, please stick around because that's about to happen right now. But if you are leaving us today, after this point, thank you all so much for joining us. Have a wonderful Saturday. You take care of yourselves, make sure you look after me, myself and I, because no one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. Have a wonderful Saturday, and I'll see you tomorrow. Now, let's go to Weston. Let's do this. Alright, coming to you live from Weston. Lucy's enjoying herself. We're down the Grand Pier now. So we're just going to wrap this video up. Go and get some fish and chips and a Coca-Cola. So thank you all for joining us today. We really appreciate it. You take care of yourselves, alright? Make sure you look after me, myself and I. Because no one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. Have a wonderful day, a great Saturday, and we'll see you tomorrow. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.